everyone! For today's video ay magre-review tayo ng regalo sa akin ng Silviax customized jewelry. As you can see guys, ayan yung mga, ito, hindi makita. Ayan yung mga products na sinend nila sa akin. I have a beautiful view here behind me. So, this is a special vlog because I'm in vacation right now. I want to do this review here. I just want to say thank you to Silviax for sending me this wonderful customized jewelry, and also this one, what I'm wearing is a bracelet, my favorite among those. Lahat sila ay magaganda pero ito yung favorite ko, customized bracelet. So, ito muna ang ating i-review. Ito ay initial name. Ito ay yung initial letter A. Silver plated. So, ito ay sinuot ko siya ng mga 5 days. Ayan siya guys. Kasi gusto ko talaga matry kung ano ba siya, kung nagkakaroon ako ng allergy kasi may problema ako sa skin about sa ganitong bagay, pagsuot ng ganitong mga jewelry. So ayan yung kanyang anong tawag nito, lock. May extra siya na length, almost 1 inch, 1.5. So ayan siya guys. At ang masasabi ko ay maganda ang kanilang gawa. Mura pa. Kung inyong titingnan sa website, sa murang halaga magkakaroon kayo ng magandang initial customized jewelry. So ayan siya guys. Maganda ang quality, maganda. Yung pagka-silver niya ay hindi harmful sa skin. Even though it's not really pure silver, I think. It's just plated. So the next one, itong necklace din na angel with birthstone. Dahil angel ang pangalan ng pamangkin ko. So ayan yung birthstone niya, kulay green, I think emerald, yeah, because she was born May. Yeah, May. So emerald ang kanyang birthstone. So I love the design. Wanna show you. Emerald angel, very nice design. I love it. Ang ganda. Isinuot ko rin siya mga 3 days lang at wala ding problema sa skin at yung kanyang color ay hindi naman nag-fade dahil madali lang naman maging maayos pag nag-fade ang color niya, lilinisan lang siya. May kasama po siyang cloth na panlinis. So the third one is this necklace, customized birthstone with 2 hearts. Ito ay pinagawa ko birthstone ko at ng asawa ko. So January and May. So ayan guys, actually ito suot-suot ko everyday for almost 2 weeks now. Favorite ko rin siya kasi partner dito sa aking bracelet na may 3 hearts. So ito siya guys ay my name, may maliit na name dito sa, hindi siya siguro makita. Dito sa stone ko ay may ano siya, name, my name ko Marie. Tapos dito sa stone ng asawa ko may name siya na Rick. So ayan siya. It has a tiny name here. It has a tiny name. This green one is Rick, and the red one is my name, Marie. Personalized birthstone heart necklace. Kanilang lock, it's just the same, tapos meron siyang extension na little bit. Ayan, so napansin ko siya na nung pagsuot-suot mo siya everyday, of course yung sweat mo ay pwedeng maka-affect sa kanya. Ang ginawa ko, pinunasan ko lang siya ng cloth, yung cloth na kasama nito, yung pinamunas ko hanggang sa naglinis siya. So ayan guys, and ito nga yung pang-apat. So, I love this. This is very nice. Makikita niyo ito sa aking mga vlogs. During my shop vlogs, ginagamit ko ito everyday. Ayan. So, I love this very much. Ganon din siya yung kulay niya. For almost 2 weeks na gamit ko. For almost 2 weeks na gamit ko, walang pinagbago. Hindi man lang siya nangitim or whatever. Even sa skin ko, wala siyang effect na nangyari. Walang masamang effect na nangyari. So I love it very much. Guys, so I can recommend this to you. Sa murang halaga, it is so affordable. Magkakaroon ka na ng personalized na jewelry. So makakapili ka, you can choose for the whole family, for your children, for your mom, for your dad, and makakapili ka ng anklets, bracelet, earrings, necklace, what else, bangles, bangles like this, yeah. Yun, tapos makakapili ka din ng kanilang mga designs. It's either yung font na gagamitin, kung anong font ang gusto mong gamitin. Next ay yung anong color ng anong gusto mo, silver or gold or rose gold. I think they have a bronze. So ayun guys. Tapos, yung birthstone nandoon din. Kung gusto mo yung mga jewelry na may birthstone, you can choose different designs to their website. For Silviax, you are so generous enough to send me 4 of your products. And I love all this. Thank you so much. Guys, ang gaganda ng kanilang mga jewelry. And 100% I can recommend this to you because it's skin friendly and the materials, the quality are recommendable. So guys, please visit all the links under this video and you can see all the promotions they will give to you. If you want to purchase, I will put there the website and their social media accounts. So hopefully you can try to purchase, and I'm sure you will love their products. Silviax personalized jewelry. That's it. Hope you enjoy. So everyone, thank you so much for watching. And Silviax, thank you so much for giving me this gift. Thank you very much, and may God bless you all. Thank you guys. Bye bye.